Hi guys! 안녕하세요 여러분! Welcome back to Korean Like a Native! Today, you're going to learn two Korean idiomatic expressions that relate to one of your body parts. Body parts. Yeah, so look at these two phrases. 입이 무겁다 and 입이 가볍다. So 입이 무겁다 literally means your mouth is heavy or your lips are heavy, and 입이 가볍다 literally means your mouth is light or your lips are light. So can you guess what they mean? Why the heck do we need these two phrases? Your mouth is light or heavy? What does they mean? So before I'm gonna explain it, I'll show you two example situations so that you can find out what they mean. Let's take a look.
민지 씨, 혹시 무슨 일 있어요? 얼굴이 안 좋아 보여요. 아니에요. 별일 없어요. 괜찮아요. 그래도 얼굴이 안 좋은데. 혹시 걱정 같은 거 있어요? 저한테는 말하셔도 돼요. 저 입 무거워요. 알겠어요. 그럼 꼭 비밀 지켜주셔야 돼요. 아, 미치겠네. 민호, 걔는 다 좋은데 입이 너무 가벼워. 다음부터 걔한테 비밀 같은 거 말하면 안 되겠어.
Can you guess? Yes, you're right. 입이 무겁다 means someone who doesn't talk very much or someone who is very good at keeping secrets. On the other hand, 입이 가볍다 means someone who is very talkative and, someone who always babbles about someone's secrets. So you can use these phrases like someone plus 입이 무겁다 and someone plus 입이 가볍다. So for example, 민지는 입이 무거워요 or 민지는 입이 가벼워요. 무거워요 and 가벼워요, these are polite form, right? Formal form. And 민지는, 민지 is. So you can say 민지는 입이 무거워요 or 민지는 입이 가벼워요. And also you can say 민지는 입이 무거워. 무거워. This is a 반말, right? Informal language. And also, 민지는 입이 가벼워. 가벼워. Also, you can say like 입이 무거운 사람. 입이 무거운 is modifying 사람, right? 사람 means person. So 입이 무거운 사람, it means a person who is really good at keeping secrets, right? And also, you can say 입이 가벼운 사람. 입이 가벼운 사람. A person who is very talkative and who always babbles about someone's secrets. 입이 가벼운 사람. But I don't think Koreans usually use these two phrases directly. I mean, Koreans usually don't say 입이 무겁다 as a compliment. Like, 너 입 정말 무거워. Or 입이 무거우시네요. 와, something like that. And I think we don't say 입이 가볍다 to someone like face to face unless if you want to argue with someone because it's kind of rude. So I've seen a lot of Koreans using these phrases, especially behind someone's back, when they are describing someone or when they are talking about someone. So please keep that in your mind. Talking about someone behind someone's back is also really bad, but I really wanted to teach you guys these two phrases because they are really popular and they are used a lot in colloquial sentences in everyday speech. So yeah. So let's repeat. Please speak it out loud. 입이 무겁다. 입이 무겁다. 입이 무겁다. And also, 입이 가볍다. 입이 가볍다. 입이 가볍다. Great. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click the like button. And also, please share this video if you want. And I'll see you guys in the next time with a new episode of Korean Word Master. 그러면 다음 시간에 만나요. Bye bye! See you next time!